Alright, this is the easiest seed starting method I have ever used. All you need is your seeds, a paper towel, and some kind of Tupperware, Rubbermaid. I'm using an old lunch meat container, but that's about all you need, and a few drops of water. Let me show you. There's my first fold, my second fold, and finally my third fold. Now from here I have gotten into the habit that I write the variety with a Sharpie on the paper towel. I was writing it on the lids, but my wife kind of frowned upon that. Okay. Alright, this variety is called Trinidad Purple Coffee. And they were actually a free gift to me from a friend who owns Forgotten Heirlooms. And Forgotten Heirlooms, by the way, is a seed company. It's owned by a private individual. So you get great customer service. But he also has some oddball stuff you won't find most places. So check them out. Well, the next step in this is I will take the paper towel and I will place it in the container. From there, what I'm going to do is just a few dabs of water, just enough to get the paper towel damp. Alright, now it comes time to put the seeds on. Here's where you can pre-soak the seeds ahead of time if you want. But I've found that with my peppers and my tomatoes, it's not necessary with this method because there's enough humidity inside the container to activate the seeds. So let me place the seeds onto the paper towel. Alright, simple enough. We just lay them out on there and we cover it up, seal it, like so. And we actually, from here, what we will do is put it up in the cabinet. As you see, I already have 2 containers up here, and this is going to be my third one. Now all I do is just put it up in the cabinet and forget about it for a couple days. Usually by the 3rd day, roots will start, and within a week you've got little plants. Now after about a week, this is what you got. And as you can see, by using this method, that's well over 90% germination method. I think I only see 1 seed, 2, that did not germinate out of all these. And that's not to say if I left it in there longer they wouldn't. But now comes time to transplant them. Now some of them are just laying in there, okay? And we can set that over there to be planted. Some of them are grown in a little, and with those you just tear the paper towel so you don't damage the roots. But then you transfer them to the pots, okay? And you're done with this stage. Alright, we got them transferred. All I gotta do now is water them and put them up. And by the way, if you do write on the container with a Sharpie and you want to get it off, just take a dry erase marker, okay? Scribble over top of it, okay? Take your paper towel before it dries and wipe it off, okay? Gone. Now, after you transplant them, set them up on the windowsill, and here's some after about a week, okay? As you can see, they greened up nice. They've rooted in nice. And I see some even starting to get their second leaves. So they're coming right along. Well, I thank you for watching. Please subscribe. And I hope you have some great gardening days ahead of you.